Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear viewers, again welcome to my YouTube channel English Practice with Selim Reza. Dear viewers, you know that in this channel we are trying to enjoy in English. English is an international language. And dear viewers, one thing I would like to share with you that my discussion will be on different topics. In every new video, I will bring a new topic and it will be inshallah more beautiful for learning English, for practicing English. Dear viewers, this time my topic is Bangladesh, my dear motherland. Dear viewers, before practicing English speaking, we should not be very serious. We can speak in English very easily by choosing some titles, some topics. There are thousands of topics for speaking English, for practicing English. So this time let's start with the topic Bangladesh. Bangladesh is our motherland. It is our homeland. And you know that every country is compared to mother because mother sacrifices highest level. No man, no woman can sacrifice from all sides like mother. So, birthland is called motherland. There are lots of information about Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a peaceful country. Bangladesh is a democratic country. Dear viewers, you will notice that I am trying to speak different sentences about Bangladesh. If you have many sentences in your minds, then it is not a problem to speak in English. So we can say that we need to increase our information. We do not need to practice more grammatical rules. If we have many information, much information, we can use them with different sentences, and that will make our English more strong than the previous time. This is the technique I will apply in my videos. I would like to suggest, especially who are students, fresh learners, for their benefit, I would like to suggest to them who are students, you should not be afraid of English. English is a language of enjoyment, fun, interest. It is very wonderful. I am speaking not exceptionally, very simply like a Bangladeshi man. It is my personal desire to be a speaker like a Bangladeshi, not like an American, because it is my desire that any person, if he or she does not understand, does not understand my speaking as Bangladeshi, I think this is not a good matter. I will not try to speak like British, like American. We should have a style of our own. So let's come to the point. Bangladesh is a developing country. You can say many things about Bangladesh. The system of society in Bangladesh is very fine, especially in village areas. People are living with peace and calm. Village people are more friendly. They cooperate with each other in their urgent necessities. And their daily activities, daily life is very simple. I would like to share with you. I am also living in a village in Bangladesh. I feel very happy living in a village. Bangladesh is called the country of villages. So, dear viewers, you are noticing that I am talking about my country Bangladesh, our country Bangladesh. I am just trying to speak. When information is ready, when a sentence is ready, I am trying to deliver it. So this is the technique. I think, inshallah, if you try to speak, mistakes, no problem. You will make a lot of mistakes, and then you will speak with interest. So nowadays, Bangladesh is going ahead. Urbanization, making new towns, cities are available in my country. Also, there are a lot of symptoms, signs of urbanization even in also village areas. These are noticeable things. You know that there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. And it is the special quality of Bangladesh. Every 2 months, after 2 months, natural beauty, natural scenery changes that creates another attraction in the beauty of our country. Bangladesh is called the country of natural beauty. Most of the people of Bangladesh are farmers, but at present, in our education sector, there are many noticeable changes. Already, many people are service holders in their profession, and as Bangladesh is a developing country, so Bangladesh is expanding its networking system, communication system with the other countries of the world. And you know that a particular sector, the garment sector, is one of the most important sectors of Bangladesh. It is a pioneering sector without which our domestic economy cannot move for a single day. And also, about more than 1 crore people of Bangladesh are living as expatriate in other countries, especially in the Middle East countries. They are the expatriate people, brothers, sisters. They are remittance fighters. They are contributing a lot in the economic health of Bangladesh. Without their remittance, our foreign reserve, central bank cannot conduct its activities. So, we congratulate them and we are thankful to them. Dear viewers, you are noticing that a lot of informations are coming to my mind, and I am speaking using that information. So I hope that inshallah in the next time there will be more videos about Bangladesh, because there is no lack of information about Bangladesh. So dear viewers, I hope that you all will cooperate me by subscribing my channel, and you will give your suggestion, comments. I will take constructive suggestion, comments to make my videos, and this time the practice of English more fruitful, more enjoyable. I hope that more good time will come with the practice of English in this channel. Thank you very much.